Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and play Monopoly Go on PC. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're trying to play Monopoly Go through your PC, let's just say you don't want to play with your phone and you want to see it directly on your PC, well, there is a way for you to start playing Monopoly Go. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to download an emulator. Now, what we're talking about here is since PCs and Android devices or even like phones have are different platforms, well, you won't be able to directly play the game directly on your PC. So that's why you need an emulator. Now, the great thing about this one is you can actually download a free one, which is going to be from BlueStacks. So in this case, go and just search BlueStacks on Google. Go and open up the first result here for BlueStacks. Again, bluestacks.com, or you can go and type that in directly into your browser here. And you want to go and just click on the download BlueStacks button. Now, once the download is complete, you go and just run the .exe file here and install this into your PC. But once it's actually installed, you should be able to start using it. Now, just to give you an idea, I already have BlueStacks installed on my PC. Just going to double click on it to open up the actual emulator. Now, it's not yet prepared, or when you first open up BlueStacks here, it's not going to be prepared to play Monopoly Go. So you need to set this up like any other mobile phone here. So meaning you need to install Monopoly Go and you need to log in into your Monopoly Go account. So yeah, let's just wait for this one to load up real quickly here. Now, once it's actually started here, what you need to do is you want to go and open up the option for system apps. You want to go and open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go and just search for Monopoly Go. Now, in my case, I already have this installed, but if you go to your search bar here, now by the way, you may need to log in into your Google account as well in here in order for you to download apps. But yeah, so in this case, just type in Monopoly Go, just press enter, and just install this into your device. Now, once you have this installed, you go and just click on the play button, and it will basically start playing on your PC. Now, in here, you should be able to log in into your account. Obviously, it's going to you should be able to start using the app in here. You can go and click on Play with Friends and do a bunch of things inside Monopoly Go. But yeah, so this is the easiest and the fastest way that you could use this. Or if you want to play Monopoly Go into your PC, this is the thing that you need to do. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.